Y'all know the bubble wrap is the best part, right? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to be jumping in this video because I am excited. I will be unboxing. Y'all didn't read my stuff. I can't remember what I ordered exactly, like to the T. Like, I know it's a camera. I know it's a Canon camera. I just can't. I can't remember right now. But I ordered a camera. So I've never done an unboxing video before. I don't know if there's rules or regulations. I'm just go with the flow. Do what I gotta do and show you guys everything. So I ordered, I'm cutting the box, well, the tape. I ordered my camera last week sometime. It had to be Friday. And shout out to Alexis. She's got sent. Shout out to Alexis because I was literally on Instagram, like, pretty much kind of ranting about wanting a camera and I needing new editing software and stuff like that. And I've been trying to get a camera for the longest. I said tax time, get me a camera. Life happened, okay, adult responsibilities, all right. So then when we got that stimulus check, I was like, okay, maybe I can get a camera out of it. But then again, life happened. I did the adult thing and took care of some business. So, but God had a plan. He had a plan all along. But yeah, you guys, Alexis DM'd me on Instagram and she was telling me where she got her camera and what she did. Basically, I ordered this camera from QVC. Did not know this was a thing. Basically, I ordered my camera and I'm making 3 easy payments of about $150, which is not bad. And I got my camera today. It's Thursday. So it's literally been since Friday, which it didn't take long to get. But anyways, jumping right in. Again, I never did an unboxing, but this is everything. And I'm just gonna take it out. So they sent an Ultra SD card. And it is 32 gigabytes. I'm just gonna lay this out. I'm such an organized person. And then, just gonna do this. So I ordered the Canon. Y'all, I can promise I can't remember. That's what it looks like. I can't remember. But I ordered this Canon camera. Okay, I'm stupid. This is one of the lenses in it. I got a lot of research to do. But yeah, okay, so I believe that is one of the lenses. So I'm just gonna kind of set it up. And this is the bag. So you get a bunch of stuff for your money, and I went ahead and just got everything. It's just easier to go get everything in the package deal. Put that in there. But this is what the bag looks like. Super cute and organized. Keep it in there. Ooh. So this is what the inside is looking like. I look like a professional. And you got your strap, and you have 2 separate compartments, and you have a lot of room up top as well. So this is the bag. All right. And lastly, okay, this is what I ordered. I ordered the Canon EOS Rebel T6 camera, and okay, here it is. It comes with a zoom lens, which I showed you before, a strap, battery charger, battery pack, interface cable, all this good stuff. I'm excited. Y'all just don't understand my frustration. Like, you can definitely start filming with your phone. Like the iPhones, well, any new phone really. I started out with a Samsung Galaxy. Yeah. I started out filming with that stuff. And then I got an iPhone and I continued to film with the iPhone. The iPhone gives you the best quality, especially if you know how to do your settings. Excuse me, I'm talking too fast. But the only thing is storage. The best quality, like the best filming quality setting that I had my camera on take up so much storage. Like just to film, and especially like makeup videos and it's long and all that, it would take up so much storage. I would literally have to delete apps and re-download just to cover everything, get everything done. And then I would still have to convert my videos into another editing software. I would use Viva Video, which I did a subscription, and have to convert that so that I could upload it to my laptop. Yeah, so hopefully we cut out some steps with this. So let's just get this open. Yeah, that's everything in the box. Let's see. So yeah, hopefully this helps, because y'all, I ain't gonna lie, it's stressful. And the next thing I want to do is get a better editing software. Laptop, I want an Apple, but I gotta handle this adult stuff first, you guys. I got stuff I need to do, but I know it will come later. So if you are in the same predicament or kind of in the same predicament, it will happen. You will never know when, but it'll happen. So what is this? What is this? Oh, limited warranty sheet. Put that there. You get your EOS book. Let's see. I'm using my front cam because I did not feel like going through the struggle. But this is like the Bible of Canon. I'm gonna need this because, you know, I'm new to this. I'm used to the iPhone. So yeah, this is gonna be like a fun little task as well. So you get that, and then you get like a registration card. Yeah. And then I'm gonna do that last. So here's the Canon strap that you get. What's this? Okay, here's another lens. I'm gonna take it out the bubble wrap. Y'all know the bubble wrap is the best part, right? That thing relieves stress. I will be taking the bubble wrap to work. But here's one of the lens. And let's see which one. It just has, oh my gosh, it's an image stabilizer, the macro. Again, I am no tech person. I have to learn though. Like I said, this is going to be an interesting journey just to learn about different cameras and things like that. So next I have my, I do know what this is. This is my battery pack. Y'all, I'm so damn excited. Selfie's finna be lit. Stop. Here's the battery pack. It's one of the USB cables. I'm wondering if, see, I don't have a monitor, but I'm wondering if I can hook the cable to my TV and use that as a monitoring screen. We're gonna play with that. And I have the battery, of course. I'm not gonna take that out just yet. And finally, you guys, I'm gonna cry. A moment of silence. It's been a journey, but we are finally here. So this is your camera. Well, my camera now, but I'm gonna play around with it a little bit, kind of, so I can learn the basics. This is what we are working with. I am so excited. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to figure some of this stuff out. I'm going to test the quality, I guess, versus my iPhone. Maybe. I'm gonna hook this thing up. I'm about to figure it out, and I'm going to test out the difference between my iPhone, which is an iPhone 8 Plus, you guys. I am filming on an iPhone 8 Plus, so there is no, I'm saying that like it's the lowest low of lowest. It's really not, but if I can film on an iPhone 8 Plus, those that have iPhone 10s, what is it, 11s and all those, there's no excuse, you guys. Just, it's something to get started. It really is. I feel like I'm gonna like filming on this, but I'm gonna have to get used to it because I'm so used to my iPhone. But yeah, I'm gonna get everything together, and then I think I'm gonna come back and just see the difference in quality per se. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is what we are looking like using the Canon camera. So I've had the chance to play around with my camera for about a week and a half. That's how long I had it. And the footage that I recorded originally, I was not happy with. I looked super yellow, so I was like, okay, I can't be producing no yellow videos, like, no ma'am. So I played around with some settings. I had to write my stuff down so I can, you know, keep a note like which settings I have it on that produce the best quality. And this is what I've come up with so far. I'm probably gonna play around with it some more, just to give you guys the best quality. But I am so excited, you guys. Like, this is kind of like a rebrand in a way for me, you know, just to have a camera. And once I get the editing software that works for me, I want to produce so much content for you guys in the future. So yeah, but I'm gonna end this unboxing video. If anything was helpful to you, definitely leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you are interested in beauty videos, I create beauty videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell, okay, so you won't miss any uploads. Yeah, I'm excited, but as always, I will see you guys in my next video.